Hello and Assalamualaikum. In this video, my friend and I will explain to you the impact of electrical and control system for Hvac in thermal comfort, air quality and energy consumption. So, because it manages the comfort level throughout the entire structure, the commercial and industrial control system that regulates the complete Hvac system is very complicated. To maintain the comfort level, control system must involve in controlling the air supply and hot water boiler, the delivery of hot water for heating the structure, the cooling system, whether it be water chiller or large condensing unit, the humidity of the structure, the ventilation air required for the structure, and the energy management system used by the structure. So, we know what control system that involved to maintain the comfort level, but now I want to explain how pneumatic control system could achieve the thermal comfort. Pneumatic control system use air to transmit the signal from the sensor to the controller and onto the control device. The control signal is air and is carried from the sensor to the controller and onto the control device through small pipe. The control device can be modulating because the air pressure can be easily increased or decreased depending upon the action of the sensor. The advantages on using the pneumatic control system: they are very simple and easy to understand. They are safe and explosion proof. They are also very versatile and reliable. Lastly, the cost of installation may be less. So, this system must have constant supply of air that is clean and dry. The starting point of any pneumatic control system is the air supply. Most of these systems have separate air compressor, and in some cases, using the second as a backup if the first one became inoperative. The control system in pneumatic control system will have many small air passage and orifice that could become easily clogged with water or trash. For this reason, the air supply to the control system must have no foreign particles that could stop the passage in the control or the line.
Zikry Bmmh. Most of these systems use an air compressor that will supply air at 100 psig to a pressure reducing valve that reduces the pressure being supplied to the control system to approximately 20 psig. Second, the air will leave the main tank and pass through an air dryer that will remove moisture from the air. Next, the air will flow through a liquid separator that will catch any water or oil that is left in air after the air dryer. The air then passes through a filter that will remove any small particles. The air should clean and dry and will pass through a pressure regulator that will reduce the air pressure from 100 psig down to 20 psig. From this point, clean dry air will be supplied to pneumatic control system.
Now I'm going to talk about the main control component. It consists of 6 components, which is check valves, compressor, regulators and gauges, accumulator or buffer tank, feed lines, and last but not least, actuator. Pneumatics is a simple and reliable way to make things move. Just by using clean, dry air, pneumatic systems use this compressed air to create mechanical motion and power applications to do work in factory automation systems. Pneumatics makes use of an air compressor to reduce the volume of the air in order to increase its pressure. This then moves through a filter into pneumatic tubing where it's controlled by valves before reaching an actuator which does the work at the end of the process. Hence, it helps to achieve thermal comfort efficiently.
Energy consumption. Constant alteration of quantity, shape, dimension and weight of workpiece, characteristic of working in condition of flexible pneumatic system, cause the need for different operating pressure levels in the system. Compressed air pressure reduction has a great impact on increasing energy efficiency of the entire system. If operating pressure is regulated in real time, the use of automatically controlled pressure regulator in compressed air system can provide significant savings in terms of compressed air consumption.
So, pneumatic systems, like hydraulic systems, were developed by the Greeks and deal with the study of fluids in order to perform mechanical work. Unlike hydraulics, pneumatic systems rely on compressed air to perform their functions, and this compressed air must be dehumidified to prevent metal parts from corroding. Pneumatic systems are made up of several devices that work together to make things work. The applications of pneumatic systems cannot be overlooked because they are used and enjoyed in our daily activities, ranging from the industrial to the medical worlds. Because pneumatic systems are less powerful than hydraulic systems, their applications cannot be the same, but they may be similar in some cases. That's all from me. Thank you.